How to get Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to get Amazon Prime, all you have to do is you can get it via the app or the website. Now in this case I will open up my browser and you have to go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Hit the go option and you will see this type of interface. Now if you're not already logged in, you can tap the sign in option to log into your normal Amazon account where you want to subscribe Amazon Prime. After you do that, here you'll find the start your free 30-day trial option, where if you tap on it, you'll take you to the page where you can see all the Prime benefits and the subscription benefits that you have. Now you can go ahead and then make sure to select a payment method. Once you select your payment method, you can enter your credit or debit card, whatever else you prefer, and then you want to make sure to tap the continue option in order to go ahead and then save the changes. This way you can go ahead and then get Amazon Prime. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.